Usually I cook.
I clean.
And eat, of course.
Yeah.
Often. Oh, you have cabbage, like us. Bean sprout. Three. Oh wow. Oh, Mama is here. Yeah, cook. How's that?
It's like all the flavors. Goodness.
Shall we start?
What you guys usually do for dinner? Like you like to go outside or just cook at home?
Well, lately we've been going out a lot more because we have a baby. But usually I cook. I'm trying to make simple things.
Okay, what about you, Eric?
No, she's the cook. I clean.
Okay,
So-
and eat, of course.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. Alright then, so let's start.
Sounds good.
Let's have fun. That's my rule here. Cooking is fun, so just let's have fun. Let's go. Open. Oh, I found my seasoning here. So they've been using 17,000 flavors of Indonesia. You have tempeh.
Yeah.
There you go.
I like tempeh.
I think we're gonna use tempeh. You have shrimp. Like we're gonna use shrimp. Then, oh, you have cabbage. Like us. Oh, you have rice. There, you have rice. So we're gonna use this rice. Oh my gosh, you have bean sprout. If someone eats bean sprout, they are very Asian. Oh yes. This. I think I can use everything. Shall we start? Let's do it. This is my magic box. 1, 2, 3. Oh wow. We have aprons. And then we have a couple seasonings here. Where did I put here? So I'm gonna use bumbu kuning for the tempeh. Okay. Put this one here. What you need is salt, pinch of sugar, coconut milk. You're done. Right here. You can use coconut oil or you can use avocado oils. Any type of oil actually. But I like coconut oil. And be careful when you use coconut oil. Don't make it too hot because they can just... I'm gonna make a whole tin papers, okay? Oh, Mama is here! How are you? And I keep telling to everybody can cook, I said, because it's just fun. I'm gonna use a little because I'm gonna use some of the... Yeah, that's the thing about me cooking. Sometimes I talk to myself, I don't talk to other people because I start talking. I want the tempeh a little bit cooked. One, two, I'm gonna do 3 spoons. We need to cook the tempeh a little bit more. Shrimp is very fast, maybe like 1 minute. You put at the last, so when they're like hugging each other, how do you call that? So because they're like straight like this, right? So when they're kind of like that, so they're cooked. When they're like this, they're cooked. I'm gonna do this rice with bumbu merah. It's gonna be a kick a little bit, but it's gonna be so good.
Yeah, it's hot.
How's that?
I've never been able to make rice.
Yeah?
Yeah. No?
Yeah, but this one is going to be very simple fried rice. Mixed with the seasoning, put on the pan, done.
There's this lady on the bus who had just come from and was looking for a place, and she also...
Oh, we can make salad with lenga dressing, so we're going to use this lenga dressing for salad.
You guys live in Hollywood?
Replacing it with things that are edible.
Something going here. It's white sesame with tamarindo. It's very good, okay? They have the tangy kind of tangy, sweet, and acidity of tamarindo. It's really good with any type of salad or veggies. Put it there.
That's all my favorite dishes.
Here, coconut oil, onion, tomato, red peppers, and cabbage. So we're gonna make, in Indonesia we call tumis or saute kind of stuff. It's very common for like every Indonesian. Also and you will taste.
Do you make all the sauces yourself?
Huh?
Do you make all the sauces yourself?
And lenga dressing. This is pork.
Looks really yummy.
That's tempeh.
Tempeh
Yeah.
Tempeh and shrimp, right?
Yeah.
and shrimp. That's really nice. I love tempeh.
I know.
And then you put this on top to make it nice and fresh.
That's fantastic. It's excellent.
The tempeh is
The tempeh.
fire.
Like you said, it's like all the flavors is,
So complimentary.
yeah, they all like come out at different times. It's so good.
So just mix it all. Thank you so much. This is
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my goodness. And it's just the right temperature of heat.
Okay.
Really good.
Yeah.
Spicy enough, but it's not like, you know,
Yeah. Crying. I see. Yeah.
yeah, not like just like
have
a
the heat
long,
of it.
yeah, just
Yeah.
along the side of your mouth,
Okay.
just enough.
Alright then, take a look at this. It's gone. It's gone. Alright. What did we cook today? We cook opor, tempeh, and shrimp with bumbu kuning here. And then we make the brown rice and we make as a nasi goreng with bumbu merah. Then we make tumis, bean sprout, and cabbage. We use bumbu putih here. And then one of my favorite dressing, it's lenga dressing or white sesame dressing. So any veggies you can just mix with this dressing, you will love it. That's it, our first episode of Knock Knock Bumbu with me, Abe. And then we will see you for the next episode.